Most people live their entire life asleep. They chase money without purpose. They follow the crowd without vision, and they never unlock the true power of their mind. But you, yes, you watching this, were not born to live average. You were born to rise, to create, to lead. This channel is not just another motivational page. This is your wake-up call. Here, we reveal the hidden secrets of success, the wisdom of legends like Iqbal, Napoleon Hill, Jim Rohn, and modern giants like Tony Robbins and Les Brown. How to train your mind like a king. How to build unstoppable confidence. How to attract wealth, opportunities, and power. And how to protect yourself from negative people who try to pull you down. This is not just talk. This is transformation. Because success is not about luck. Success is a strategy, and we will teach you the strategy. Imagine waking up every morning with clarity, vision, and energy. Imagine creating financial freedom not by chance, but by design. Imagine walking into any room with so much confidence that the world cannot ignore you. That is what fearless growth is about. We teach you how to control your thoughts, because when you control your thoughts, you control your destiny. And remember, your mind can be your greatest weapon or your greatest prison. Which one will you choose? This channel is for dreamers, fighters, believers, people who refuse to settle for less. If you are tired of being average, tired of living paycheck to paycheck, tired of letting fear control your life, then you belong here, because this is not entertainment. This is empowerment. This is not motivation that fades tomorrow. This is transformation that lasts forever. So if you're ready to grow without fear, if you're ready to rise higher than ever before, if you're ready to unlock the secret to success, hit that subscribe button right now, join the Fearless family, and let's build the life you were born to live. Your journey begins today.